I'm calling out Happy Grow Organic Mushroom Compost. I bought 3 bags. There's the bag there. I bought 3 bags. This is the first time and the last time that I'll be buying this product. I bought it from Lowe's, and I normally buy a different brand, but they were out of the brand that I normally get, and I needed some bad, so I said, well, this is organic mushroom compost. I'll try it. Let me show you what's going on with it. Here's the 2 bags that I have cut open already. First, let me start with, there's pieces of metal. This is not the first piece that's in it, but these bags are loaded with sticks, bricks, and rocks. I put the 2 bags in my tractor, and I was going to mix in some peat moss because I'm wanting to top off my garden beds. And I'm having to strain this stuff. This is the 2 bags. What's not in the tractor, what's right here, it equals those 2 bags. And I just have this piece of hardware cloth over this pan here. This is what I have strained, sifted out. There's plastic. This is a piece of granite that's in there. There's more plastic. There's so many sticks. This is more metal. I think it's uncalled for. And I also want to say this pan, and it's a pretty good sized pan, there's no soil in this. This is all rocks, giant sticks, and debris. Like, there's no soil in this. This is just, look at this. The other bags that I have bought in the past, they've been good bags. There's another piece of granite. They've been good bags, and there have been a few occasional things that I've had to sift through, but I was able to do it with the cat litter scooper thing. Half of the weight of those bags is this mess right here. And I'm not even getting all of it. I'm only getting what doesn't fall through this hardware cloth. I feel like a person should not have to sift through this stuff to get that junk out. If I had just dumped these into my garden beds, what a mess I would have. So I'm bringing this video to you to show you, so that if you are thinking about getting this compost, do it with caution.